Hi there, it's Ian over at Griptape, and in this video we're going to jump into using open source image generation models with Griptape Nodes. And I guess the first question that we need to answer is, why might you want to do that? There's a couple of reasons for that. The first is that if you use open source models, you can run them for inference, for the generation process on your own computing resources. So you're not sending prompts or generating images and having those images accessible by third parties, which can be useful in some privacy sensitive use cases if you're working with highly valuable IP, for example, highly valuable intellectual property. The second reason that many customers are interested in using open source models is quite simply the diversity and wide range of different image generation and image enhancement models that are available. Within Griptape Nodes, we currently support Hugging Face Diffusers as the framework upon which these image generation models run. And there's a wide range of different models available. You can see there's over 100 pages of models of various types available on Hugging Face that you can use with the diffusers library. So you've got a huge diverse range of different models that you can use for image generation and enhancement. So how do you get started using these models in Griptape Nodes? And the answer is tied up in the Griptape Nodes Advanced Media Library, which is an option that you can install when you install the Griptape Nodes engine. And really you need two things. You need a diffusion pipeline builder, and you need the generate image with diffusion pipeline node. So you connect these two things together, and that enables you to generate images using these open source models. What you need to do here is select the provider that you want to use. And if you select a provider for which you do not currently have models downloaded, you'll see this in the node informing that you need to use the model management interface in order to grab the necessary models for this particular provider. So we'll click on that, and that would take us off to the model management interface, pre-populated with the particular model. I would hit download for the appropriate model that I wanted to use. So Quane image, for example, here. Hit download, and that would pull the model down onto my local machine. There's just one prerequisite for that, is that you need to have a Hugging Face token configured in your environment. You do that here in settings, API keys and secrets, and you can see there's a Hugging Face _HF_ token here that's configured at the bottom. I've pasted that in there, and I generate that token here on Hugging Face, looking at my account settings, my access tokens, create a new token, a read-only token, enter the token name, click create token, and you'll then be able to copy and paste that token into your Griptape Nodes environment, which the model manager will use to pull the models that you need directly from Hugging Face. So it's really simple to get started with. Let's use a library provider that we already have installed. So I've got Stable Diffusion here. Stable Diffusion pipeline, I'll use the new 3 with the Stable Diffusion 3.5 model. It's just as simple as connecting that into my image generation node and then connecting a prompt, which I've already got here, into my image generation node. And you can see my prompt gets populated there. If I run that node, you'll see that in this node here, my pipeline instance is created, and I chose Stable Diffusion because it's fast. Okay, so in under 10 seconds, we've got our pipeline instantiated, an instance of our pipeline created, and then our diffusion job is starting. That's also fast. There you go, it's completed. And in just a second, we should see our output image arrive here. There we go. We've got our skateboarder in streetwear in front of a shop with a neon sign that reads Griptape Nodes. So it's that simple to get started with diffusion pipelines with open source image generation models on Griptape Nodes. Hope you like that. As usual, stay tuned, and I will see you on the next one.